Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. Since a very long time I've had people asking me to make a cold processed soap which is with 100% coconut oil, very conditioning, very nourishing for the skin. So today I'm going to be making 100% coconut oil cold processed soap. So for this we only need to use coconut oil as the oil. We do not need to take a combination of oils. So here I have my coconut oil. The one that I have taken is a cold pressed coconut oil. You can take extra virgin coconut oil as well. And here in the other container I have my lye water solution. I have already gone ahead and mixed the lye with the water. It is already cooled down completely and ready to use. Even my coconut oil is at normal room temperature. This is a very easy to make soap. For those who have never made cold processed soaps, this could be a little tricky. So for those who would like to go ahead and learn more advanced making of cold processed soaps, you can join the workshops. All the workshop details, the WhatsApp number is mentioned in the description box for those who are interested to join in. So we'll quickly start with the making. Now we'll go ahead and add our lye water solution into this coconut oil that we have here. Since this is a full coconut oil soap, I'm not adding any other additives, I'm not adding any juices, purees. But yes, you do have an option to go ahead and add that, and we'll give this a blend. I've already reached light trace. We will go ahead and add our fragrance to this. For the fragrance, I have added a little rose fragrance. You can also go ahead and add any essential oil if you wish to, if you don't want to add any fragrance. And this is completely optional. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, this is all ready to be put in the mold. So I'm going to go ahead and just pour this in the container. And then we will go ahead and put this in the mold. Now you can see the color is pure white. That is because of the cold pressed coconut oil that we have used. So if you are using any other type of coconut oil, it might not be this color. The color will differ. So I'm going ahead and pouring this into the container. Into my mold. And this will be kept in the mold for the next 8 to 10 hours to completely cool down, solidify, and only then we will go ahead and unmold these soaps. So once we go ahead and unmold them, I will show you how these soaps look. So now it's the next day that we have put the soap in the mold, and looks like the soap has hardened because it's leaving its sides now. So we will just check if the soap is ready and we will unmold it. Okay, so the soap looks ready almost. If you can see, this has got unmolded very well. And we'll unmold the next one as well. So these are how our soaps look, 100% coconut oil soaps. If you all can see the design, how it is, this is how they look. And it's white because of the extra virgin coconut oil which I have used to make these soaps. If you use any other grade of coconut oil, the color is going to differ. It's going to become a little more yellowish color. And friends, this is how simple it is to make our 100% coconut oil soap, which is very conditioning, very moisturizing, nourishing for your skin. Only thing is, you have to keep this for the next 2 months to cure. So friends, if you like my video, if you like what I share with you all, please do like, subscribe and share it with your friends as well. Thank you so much everyone.